Greta Thunberg is a Swedish activist who started her activism by pressurizing governments to address the issues related to climate change. It is a very great point to note that she gathered the eyes of the world at a very young age, as she was born on the 3rd of January 2003. She went famous at the age of 15 when she staged a solo school strike outside of the Swedish parliament. She has a wide spectrum of political and social understanding because in this very young age, she included social and political rights of Ukrainian and Palestinian people. Not only that, she raised the voice for Western Sahara and Armenia. Some corners say that her young age has some conscious back support of thought and theory to raise such social and political issues in very precise and to the point way. She gained supersonic fame when she joined the flotilla for 2 times of Gaza and Palestine. It is a matter of fact that Israel detained her in infested custody. She was given no proper food, and she was forced to hold the Israeli flag. She faced dehydration due to insufficient drinking water. She developed rashes on the skin due to bedbugs in the cell. It is pertinent to mention that Greta doesn't receive any salary for being a climate activist from any NGO. It is to be noted that she doesn't own any profitable property. However, some sources claim her net worth is between $1 million and $2 million. She earns mostly from book royalties. Most of her income she donates to environmental causes. She gathered much fame when it came to the discussion of awarding her Nobel Prize when President Trump was anxious for the same award. Her sentimental statements for Gaza people took her face to the international sky. Her famous line, "How dare you, you have stolen my dreams, my childhood with your empty words." Her recent participation in Gaza Flotilla shows that she will focus more on Palestine-Gaza issues. At the same time, she will go on further for the issues of climate change.